Guys, welcome to Tonton Zokro News. A long time I have not people who do not hear me fight to speak English, and you guys could understand. And all of you guys there, I have all over the world. I could say Kenya and New York City and you all United States, and then I have all like Canada, and then who speak English? I have to try to make sure today to speak English to you, and you could understand what Tonton Zoklo News talking about. Listen to me. I'm here now to speak to you, to tell you what's going on, and I go against my Haitian people where they do not care but their country. They sold their country for a couple of dollars. They sold their country for a couple of dollars. Listen to me. They sell it. They make the couple of dollars, but they do not care about the people who's supposed to be survive in this country. Listen to me. Looking at a New York City, and then 2 days ago, where there was a protest at the Columbia University. And then I will tell you exactly in New York, and where they was have a protest, and they was called NypD. That was like, and even take a second where they was get over the 50s officers was reach here. When they reach here in New York City, listen to me, and Columbia University, what's going on? They cannot get into the door. What they was do, they was make themselves a super officer to get to the window. I know you could see what I'm talking about. And then to try to they only try to know what's going on because the university was called. Listen to me. I'm gonna tell you. I looking at my people. My people is not to be there for nobody. They only care about their pocket. And listen to me. And that's where it is where now in Haiti. In Haiti have a problem where we do not have no one who's supposed to stand for the people, who's supposed to make sure and be there as a president and to know that the people need to be survived. And that's what I see, and I give you example about it. I give you example about it to show you what is mean and care about your people. If it was Haiti, you could call like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours all day. You's not gonna see nobody's here as a superman like they do now, and just go ahead to the window to try to get inside. Listen to me. I gonna talk to those people, but I understand what's going on, and then how they is really so happy, and then to make sure to solve the country, and then they'll try to blame the people who over and who over there, people who's unable, people who's be over like past United States, and go against people for themselves, and they stand for themselves to just go to break down the countries. The Haiti is a good country, but I'm going to tell you. And then if you want to listen to me, you could listen to me, where we have the many people who do not want to see Haitian, where they was looking at you like you something else, they disrespect you, all kind of things. Let me tell you something. And then those people, who find some people, trust me, they are not going to even go paid themselves, and they still looking at Haitian like something else. Some people you really educated more than them, where they not have no education, but they just looking at you like something else. They just come in your face like something else. They go against you. They just ignorate you and for saying things, and when you're looking at it, who caused that? It's our own self caused that, and the Haitian caused that their own self. Whether we don't care, we had that money and then to sold out the country, and that's what the Haitian people is doing now. They try to blame the CARICOM. They try to say that and this and that, and then what's going on? Who fixed the bed? For CARICOM come to say what they had to say is Haitian, and that's why I don't even hear from them when the people talking. I even looking at them when you call Moise Jean-Charles, and then you call Jean-Claude, you call all kind of them. They don't want to give leave to take over. They just want sold out this country. They sold the country, and that's where they were now. And that's why I just seen very happiness, and I have to say that, but about those people who really care, because they call them, and then they even take a minute That Superman was there. That Superman who know they had to stand for a country. They have to stand for a country. And that's what it is today. And that's why we just looking at, I say, okay, so I really want to give Philip. I really want to give Philip. We really want to give all Haitian international and like the give Philip. You find the American is like the give Philip. Don't blame the American, please. Don't blame the American is the good people. I don't want you to blame the American. I don't want you even blame the Bahamian. I don't want you to blame the Canadian. I don't want you to blame nobody. Blame on your why you can't blame yourself? Blame your own. Because you're the one who stand to break down your country. And then you find a lot of people, they have plenty money in Haiti, where those people have the money. They actually just and put their money into to make sure to consider those gangs, and then to make sure to finish with the people life. And then where they do not know how to build a business to give people a job, and that's really so silly for themselves. Shame on them. Shame on them. And I will say that. Shame on them. Because reason why I say shame on them, I could say shame on me. Because who I am Haitian. I mean, I gotta say shame on me. And then to chest and soul with your country. And then when you're looking at it, you may have something. Look at that little earthquake in the way here in the Port. You might find the people coming from far another country than try to come to assist them. And then you don't really see nobody stand and then to say, oh, they're gonna try to know what's going on. They try to know if them people survive, how many people who's die. You don't really find that from them. It's because they do not know better. They only care about their pocket. And that's what it is. I'm fighting to speak English. And some people could understand what I'm talking about. When you're looking at the background right now, so what's going on? And those people, it wasn't even take second for all of them. Over 50 officers was reached that night. It's something I could tell you. Because what happened is, they care. But their people, they care about their country. They have to try. That's why they're here to secure their country. But when you're looking at it, we do not have no one who's supposed to stand for Haiti. No one who's supposed to stand for Haiti. They only just continue to spend money to give the gangsters and to kill one another. That's what they do. And they send a false message, and that's what they're gonna do. And that's what I'm talking about now. And listen to me. We need to know better than this. Some people just sit down and talk and all kind of foolishness. And then about and make themselves like the Haitian, but they talking all kind of foolishness. And after that, they get trained over to go and blame people who over the country, who's not in the country, who just kind of looking at the TV to see what's going on. And they try to turn over to blame them people. God is not going to bless you. It's because you're doing wrong. Blame yourself. You have to know better. Blame yourself. Because when you're looking at it, we don't care each other. We don't care. We just kill each other. We do not care nothing about the people. We don't like each other. People might think we like each other. We are not. Because what happened is somebody give me the money right now and tell me to go and do something, and I go ahead do it. When I look, I break down my country. I just take out my people life, and I just make sure break down the building, do all kind of things, and make sure put fire on the street. But all in that you have to do, and then you go on to blame some people. Who's do it? It's one Haitian who's do it. It's one Haitian who's do it. Today I have to just make sure to mention, and most of people could understand what I'm talking about. And this is Tonton Zoclo News. I am here. I could defend myself, but at the same time, if I'm wrong, I have to make sure said yes, I am wrong. Because why I cannot know why I'm wrong, and I know I do it, huh? And why I cannot say okay, whom wrong? I have big set of people who's really wrong, and then to do things they ain't supposed to do. We have a lot of people who have money who could make sure to build that country. So, but they only just share the money to make people fight each other, to make people kill one another. And that's what they do, and they realize they are Haitian. Don't care they white, we call them something, we say millet. It's not, that's, all of them is Haitian. But what happened is, and they want to sold that country, and they want to just ignore each other. And that's why when we go another country, some people don't even looking at us like something else. Some people who come on your face don't even be able to be qualified to come on your face. But they have a right. It's because we go to the people country and looking to see if we could make it. You understand? If you could be able to be make it, if we could be able to be survive, and that's why they just looking at us like something else. You look like you see them Haitian. We have good people in Haitian. We have good people in Haitian. Listen to me, but at the same time, we have some background, some head. What they do, they have something you call criminal, and they have, and that's why they share the money right now, and then to just make sure take someone's life and make our own self fight each other and to take off life each other, and then that means we never gonna go no for it. We still gonna stay there and then just try to go another people country and then to just make sure to be survive. But at the same time, we have to blame ourselves. Do not blame nobody else, because when you blame people who do not know what's going on in your home, it's not gonna be good. And because you know what I'm saying, and God gonna deal with it. Because you don't have, when you do that, you keep and blame people who are out your country, who do not know nothing, and then whose cause of problem is all your own self. You have to understand, you have to learn how to blame yourself, my brother. Because reason why, if you do not blame yourself, it's just like you put more problem on yourself. But let me tell you something. And the house, Tonton Soccer News, we always try to speak in truth, because reason why, no matter what was going on, don't tell me you do not know if you wrong. You do not know if you kill your brother. You do not know if you take off life, your brother is not live no more, you cause that. You do not know what's going on. You know why you try to go to our neighbor and to make sure to blame your neighbor, and your neighbor do not know nothing. You have to stop, and I wish you stop, because before God coming, because trust me, he will deal with you. Because you go on there, who put the fire on the people? Who break down the people building? Who take off the people life? Haitian. And who them people who's going off life, who they are? The Haitian. Listen to me. We need to stop and talking some kind of foolishness, and we talking under for the society, especially our neighbors, especially the people who are there. I do not like it when the people do something, because nobody gonna make me take off someone's life. No one gonna make me take off someone's life, because I know better than that. But the first time I will know in my life is like God was. My brothers and sisters, I will tell you, please, if you come the first time to this Tonton Soccer News platform, this is your platform. I will ask you, please, you could be able to be subscribed and also like and share to the other people. And then the people could realize that, yes, Tonton Soccer News always there, yes, to inform you. No matter what, we try to fight to speak English, we try to fight to speak French, and also, the money we speak Creole, we are Creole. Please share this to the other people, and also like, and remember to leave your comment.